Hello and welcome to this registration tutorial provided by Academic Support. As always, if you need assistance after reviewing this tutorial, please feel free to contact us in Academic Support. We are located on the 3rd floor of Carlton, or you can email us at asc@abac.edu or give us a call at 229-391-4995. When beginning the Banner registration process, you are going to go into your ABAC portal first and click on Tools. Next, click on Applications and then click on Banner Student Registration. You will be taken to a screen where you can browse for classes. This will allow you to look up to see what classes are available, what instructors are going to be teaching classes. So you want to make sure you click on Browse for Classes. Next, you will want to select which term that you're looking for classes. So in this example, we are looking for classes for spring 2024. And then you'll be taken to a screen to enter the criteria to search for classes. So in this example, we are looking for a history class, and we are looking to see what sections are available for history section 2112. By clicking search, you can see your results to see what instructors are going to be teaching, what days and times classes are going to be available, as well as what centers are going to be offering these classes. So as you can see here in the example, we have sections that are going to be offered in Tifton, eCore classes, or if you're a Bainbridge student, you can see what sections at Bainbridge will be available for this term in this example. If that last screen seemed a little overwhelming, you can refine the search criteria by clicking on Advanced Search, and you can include, in this example, like we're looking for sections that are only available in Tifton, you can add in Tifton as the only campus, and this will narrow down the listing of classes for this History 2112 for U.S. History 2 in this example. Once you see what classes are available and know which sections you would like to get into, you can click on Register for Classes whenever it's your priority date to register. And if you've never used Banner 9 before, you may be asked for a PIN number, which is going to be your 6-digit date of birth. So for example, it's going to be month, day, and year. So in the example we provided in this, if you were born January 1st of 2005, you would enter 0101 of 05, and that would be your PIN number to get in to register for classes. So once you've entered in your PIN, you're going to be given to the same screen where you can search for the classes that you want to take. And this will again allow you to see the days and times that classes are available, what instructors are going to be teaching them, as well as location. And then you want to click Add, so that way you can start adding them to your registration schedule. And then in the bottom example below, you can see where we are looking to add this particular class that we've selected. Right now in the status section, it does say pending, and in the action column is where you will make sure that you click that you are registering for the class. Once you have all classes in this category selected that you want to take, if there are any time conflicts, like let's say you pick one class that has another time conflicting with another class that they run at the same time, it will show you that, so that way you can retailor your schedule before submitting completely. So once you have all classes selected that you want to register in, you will click Submit. And once you've completed adding classes to your schedule and clicking Submit, you'll be able to see on the last screen this highlighted section where it says Status, where it says Registered. See, it's highlighted in green. That means that you are actually registered for the class. If you accidentally add and register for the wrong class, go to Action and click the drop-down arrow to drop the class and submit. Then you may go back to the registration screen to add the correct class to your schedule. Thank you for watching this tutorial on Banner Student Registration. If you need additional assistance, please feel free to contact us in Academic Support.